We have studied 4 decomposition reactions. The first one is copper chloride. And with copper chloride, you find that you started with a blue liquid, an electric current was passed through it. On the one electrode, you had a reddish metal, and on the other electrode, you had gas bubbles. Those gas bubbles were mustard gas. So if they're mustard gas, they must have had a yellow-green color. You don't really see that. But anyway, it's worth noting that chlorine gas is a yellow-green gas. The balanced equation for the overall decomposition, not the ionic equation, it is true enough to say that Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives me Cu metal, and Cl minus gives me Cl2. I need 2 Cl minuses plus 2 electrons. And when I cancel the 2 electrons, I land up with 2 Cl minus plus Cu2 plus gives me Cu plus Cl2. But if you think about it, that over there is really the ionically bonded copper chloride, CuCl2. The next reaction was lead to bromide. Lead bromide is a white powder. When I melt it up, it becomes a yellow liquid. And when I have electrolyzed it, in other words, passed an electric current through it, I get a silver-colored metal. Not silver metal, because silver metal is Ag. Silver-colored metal could be Pb, which is what I actually get. And it sinks down to the bottom, and we get a brown gas, which is bromine gas. So I get lead bromide breaking up into lead and bromine. Again, it is a decomposition. Then got mercury 2 oxide, which is an orange powder. When I heat it, remember this reaction is under the influence of heat. This was an electric current, this was an electric current, this one's going to be an electric current. So when I heat that particular reaction, I get a silver colored, again, they're not silver droplets, silver is Ag. Silver colored means that they could be something like mercury, say. And that causes, there's also a gas that is given off that causes a glowing splint to burst into flame. So I get mercury oxide, gives me mercury and oxygen. Again, a decomposition. Water, I start with a clear liquid, I get 2 gases. One has double the volume of the other. The one gas bursts into flame, meaning that it is water, and the other one explodes, meaning that it is, the one that bursts into flame is oxygen, and the one that explodes is hydrogen. So water decomposes with an electric current into hydrogen and oxygen.